I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. The weekend is even warmer than our highs today, in the 50s to around 60 as a ridge of high pressure builds onto the plains. The warmest day is tomorrow with highs in the low to mid 60s. A few clouds Sunday afternoon from a disturbance, cooler highs just a little bit to around 60. A cold front ushers in northwest breezes of 15 to 25 for Monday afternoon through Tuesday. Highs are in the 40s Monday before dropping to around 40 on Tuesday. Highs rebound to slightly above normal in the low to mid 40s for Wednesday and the mid 40s to the low 50s on Thursday. In the long-term forecast, there's a very good chance Nebraska and Kansas temperatures are warmer than normal Wednesday through December 19th. Entering the late days of December in central Nebraska, daytime highs are typically in the upper 30s with overnight lows on average in the upper teens. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation likely to be near normal the mid to late part of next week before slightly above normal precipitation late next weekend through December 19th. Key weather factors influencing the markets include the chance of heavy rainfall in the southern Mississippi Delta early next week and pockets of heavy rain across Argentina and southern Brazil. The big weather maker in the next 5 days is a storm tracking across the northern U.S. starting tomorrow in the Pacific Northwest and reaching Lake Superior by Monday night. Low pressure along the trailing cold front enhances precipitation across much of the eastern U.S. the early to middle part of next week. 5-day rainfall should reach 2 to 4 inches or more from the central Gulf Coast to the southern Appalachians. Snow is initially limited to the north, although parts of the Midwest and Northwest experience accumulations next week. Towards the southern Mississippi Delta, a significant storm Sunday through Monday with improving chances of heavier rain could provide a temporary lift to the Mississippi River water levels. Most of the precipitation, though, could remain to the east later next week and lead to drier conditions along the Mississippi. Mostly dry weather prevails the next 5 days from California to the Central Plains and the Western Corn Belt. In Brazil, heavier rain across the south this weekend, likely to increase rainfall in the central next week, helping with mostly favorable conditions for developing corn and soybeans. A moderate risk of heavy rain in northern Rio Grande do Sul and southern Parana may lead to flooding. Across Argentina, most areas have good growing conditions. Rainfall across central and southern Argentina is more limited early next week before more widespread rain late in the week. Overseas in the eastern Black Sea region, improving precipitation is helping to build soil moisture as wheat goes dormant in mostly poor condition. Heavier precipitation in the eastern Black Sea region this weekend into next week may favor central Ukraine with lighter rain over western Russia. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.